Hey guys,
I'm Tash.
I'm Saulothechef.
And we are
the cooking couple. And
today I am going to prepare for you.
Whoa, alright.
So today I'm going to prepare mukimo, the famous central dish. Yeah.
So let's learn something from my baby here.
I'm the chef today.
Yeah.
So today Saulothechef is going to learn how to make mukimo.
Yeah.
So come with me to the kitchen. So for you to prepare mukimo, you need peeled potatoes. You have to make sure that they are clean.
Oh, so these are Irish potatoes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So make sure they are well cleaned, chopped, and also cut them into just good sizes. Yeah. We need this type of, for me I'm going to use this type of onion, but you can use the red one. I don't know what you call this in your language, but we just used to know them as, they're so good for mukimo, and we used to know them from way back. Ushago, for those who have lived Ushago, they know this. Yes, we also have the other ingredient, which is the main one. We have pumpkin leaves, and we'll also need this boiled maize, very soft boiled maize, as you can see. For the first step, you have to boil your potatoes. As you wait for your potatoes to boil, make sure that you wash your pumpkin leaves so well, or what we call misheveve. Yeah, so this is how we prepare them. After washing, they are very clean, as you can see. So after cleaning them, cut them to bigger pieces. So after boiling, we are going to blend them. As your potato boils, make sure that you put salt to taste. When your potatoes is half done, you add your maize. I'm going to fry my onions. I'm using spring onions, but you can use any of your choice, even the red onions. Our potatoes is ready, as you can see, boiled, well done. So now we are going to mash. We are going to mash our potatoes together with maize, and also we are going to add our blended pumpkin leaves, msheveve, for those who know it. That's way. When you are in this step, you mash as fast as you can. Be quick, because when your potato gets cold, it will be too hard to mash. So now we are going to add our blended pumpkin leaves, msheveve. So cute. The color is giving. Guys, it's our time to put our spring onions. Guys, our mukimo is ready. Very small, with beautiful color that we're looking for, the green color. Now you can serve it with any side of your choice, but I'm going to serve it with beef. Guys, our mukimo is ready, and I serve it with beef. And because I love my hubby so much, I had to plate it so nicely. Yeah, to impress him, of course. So guys, rate me out of 10, because I believe I'm the best chef in the whole world. And guys, to bring that good food, good mood vibe for my hubby, because I love him so much. And I was inspired by Doria from the Bulls family. But guys, you can go and watch her video and let me know in the comment section who did the best. You're not comparing. I love her so much, and I love that family. But I was happy to be inspired by her, and I also got to cook for my hubby mukimo and beef stew.
Wow.
Yeah.
This looks lovely.
It's for you. I want you to taste.
Sure.
I hope you love it. How is it?
There's something about. Wait. There's something about the mukimo.
It's different from.
It's very different with the one that I always have them at the restaurants. Yeah, but this one is special. I can feel the spring onion.
Yeah, there's a secret of using the
spring onions. It's very different with using the normal onions, red onions or white onions. I think the spring onion have got that sharp flavor, right? And I love it. And I've discovered something about wherever you check the mash, you just feel the maize. You just feel that, oh, nice. I love this. And the beef is well cooked, guys. Nice one. I love it. I can have this every day.
Thank you. So
Sure.
guys, make sure that you go and try.
Wow.
For my fellow women, you can go and try it cook it for your hubby. The recipe will be described so well in the description. And I'm glad. Thank you for joining, and thank you for being in my kitchen today. I was the chef and rated by the best chef in the world.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm glad that you love my food, and I was so confident on my recipe.
Wow. I love it.
Guys,
Hey, thank you, mother-in-law.
you see the good food, the mood,
food.
when you
The
plate
mood
good,
activated.
when you cook good for your
Right.
person.
Guys, see you next time in the kitchen.
You're not even giving me.
Who cares?
I know. I care. Like,
Okay.